In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up billing on Google Workspace. Whether you're a business owner or an administrator, making sure your billing is set up correctly is crucial for managing your Google Workspace account. We'll walk through each step so you can follow along easily. Let's kick things off by heading over to the Google Workspace website. You can simply type Google Workspace into your search bar and hit enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to look out for the admin console. This is where all the magic happens. Click on it and you'll be prompted to log in. Now use your business email to log into the admin console. Remember, this should be the email associated with your Google Workspace account. Once you've entered your info, click next or hit sign in and you'll be taken to the dashboard. This is your command center for all things Google Workspace. In the top right corner, there's a small grid icon known as the Google Apps menu. Give that a click. From the drop down, you'll see various Google apps. Locate and click on the admin icon to access your admin settings. Now that you're in the admin console, it's time to navigate to the billing section. This is usually found in the menu on the left hand side. Clicking on it will open up several options related to your account's financial settings. Next, you'll want to move on to payment accounts. This section allows you to manage how your payments are set up for your account. Click on it and you'll see options related to your current payment setup. Now you'll see an option to view payment methods. Click on this to review your existing payment options. If you haven't set anything up yet, you'll find an empty list here, which means it's time to add a new payment method. Next up, you'll see an add payment method button. Click on it to start adding your new payment details. This will usually prompt you to enter your card information, so make sure you have your credit or debit card handy. Carefully enter your card details as requested. Accuracy is important here to avoid any errors in future billing cycles. Once you're done, take a moment to double check everything to ensure it's correct. Finally, after entering all the necessary details, you'll notice a save button at the bottom of the screen. Click this to save your information. And there you have it, you've successfully set up billing on Google Workspace. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that your Google Workspace account is ready to handle all of your business's billing needs efficiently. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.